What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Throughout my life I have filmed many different events, and that's why I thought it would be fun because this is a gaming channel to go back and check out the original Xbox unboxing on November 15th, 2001. That's almost 21 years ago. So without further delay, let's roll the clip.
The old and in with the bold.
Oh, lay down. Lay down.
Tatum didn't see this yet. You ready, Jody? Get this on camera. Get this on camera, Jody. We're gonna show the features here. We got the we got this right here. Joy, I almost called you Heather. Look at this, Jody. Look at this. 2 memory cards. Nice and in wrap and everything.
Zooming.
Huh?
Zooming in on it.
For full game functions and features, kill it. Here we got Bruce Lee. Here comes the butter love. It's heavy. Look at this. Oh, look at the top of it. It glows green. What we have here? 4 controller slots, the power button or something like that, the open button. DVD slot. Oh, there's 2 slots or what? There is. There's 2 drives here, I think. Now maybe that's, what the hell, is there 2 or 1 here? Is that 1 and that's a second?
I don't know.
We got a fan, we got a built-in fan back here. What do we got in the bottom? A couple stickers.
Hey, Tatum. Hey, Tatum. Where's my baby? Oh, there's my baby. There's my baby.
Oh no, you're gonna drool on the box.
Yes. My baby.
That's pretty nifty. What you got there? What you got there? What you got here, Jode?
Xbox controller.
The Xbox system.
In goes Halo.
In goes hello.
In goes Operation Halo.
As excited as I was for this new console release, myself and I'm sure many other gamers of the time had no idea how important this console would be in the evolution of gaming. Most likely this was because it was during a time when so many other tech companies had tried to jump into the ring and become a main contender, such as Philips CDI, Panasonic 3DO, Atari Jaguar, and SNK's Neo Geo, just to name a few. It was common that we would see these tech companies' consoles come and go in a short period of time. We did, however, have higher hopes for Microsoft because they were a huge company that was already established in the PC game world, and the company produced a massive marketing campaign flexing their financial power. But more importantly than Microsoft achieving a place as one of the major 3 home consoles next to Nintendo and Sony is the fact that this was the first home console to make online play mainstream, completely changing everything we know. For many of us, it was the first time we could continue to play our games with friends even after they went home. Heck, even if you had no friends, you could find someone on Xbox Live that would be more than happy to play a game or 2 with you. So thank you for sharing this retro moment with me. I filmed plenty of different events throughout the 90s into the early 2000s, and I'm thinking about making a 3rd channel where I can slowly upload some cool clips that I have. If this is something that sounds interesting, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching the video, I really appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one.